exciting, yet also calming when creating acrylic pours. The excitement comes watching those paints blend and marble in unexpected ways. The calming effect, watching the paint move and flow as you tilt the canvas and watch the poetry with paint happen. Let me show you how easy it is to create this Tranquil feather acrylic pour. You're going to need a few supplies. First, a metal drip tray, a canvas, a pair of scissors, and some paper towels. I used the DecoArt Fluid Art Ready to Pour acrylic paint in deep turquoise, navy, mint green, white, tropical blue, and jet black. You'll also need a palette knife. And I use the DecoArt detail writers for the top of my bottles to get a finer detail line when pouring out that paint. I wanted to be able to control how much paint came out of the bottle. So the perfect tool for that is the DecoArt detail writer tip. Remove the foil inside, remove the cap, twist on the detail writer tip, and that gives you fine, beautiful detail lines. Replace the cap for an airtight seal. I wanted something to help bring those nice fine detail lines out on the feather. So using a paper towel and some scissors, cut out some notches to create that tool. You first want to cover the canvas with the white acrylic paint. And I just help spread that out with a brush. I wanted to keep this application of paint thin so that I didn't have the feathers run and move too much. Take some navy paint. Some of the deep turquoise. Some of the mint green. And this beautiful tropical blue. And some white. The writer tip's going to give it a beautiful, nice little detail line. Now we'll use our napkin to help spread out those little lines on the feather. It is just a light pressure to pull some of that paint out. Light pressure. Just lift it from left to right, back and forth, and watch that paint just flow and move. Next, a little bit of black right down the middle. And then use the palette knife to help bring some of those lines out. There's something so easy and magical about acrylic pours. Watching those colors blend and move and join. You even get some beautiful marbling in here. Again, very soft and tranquil and soothing. Again, just lift it up and watch the paint flow and move. Every time you create this, you'll get a different look because the paint is going to blend and move and marble in different ways.